Welcome to another edition of BMS365 ELearning Tips. Today we're going to review some principles related to Visual ERP Business rules and why cost and discrepancies happen. These sessions are all about helping you spot issues quickly so you can fix them, educate your team, and keep things running smoothly. We'll be looking at the tools in Visual that make subledger reconciliation faster and easier. I'm Valeria Vicco, financial consultant at BMS365, and I've worked with many companies facing the same costing problems over and over for the last 20 years. I've seen the same recurring issues: costing discrepancies, reconciliation mismatches, and inaccurate financial reporting. And honestly, I knew there had to be a better way to deal with them. The key is knowing why these discrepancies happen and which tools can help you get to the root of the problem fast. Here's a big one. The system can't cost accurately unless the right data rules are followed. When those rules are broken, we need to clean it up right away. Understanding your costing method is critical. Whether you're using actual cost, standard cost, average cost, your ERP system needs to be set up correctly, and your team needs to know how each method works. Control accounts are another important factor. These are the accounts your ERP uses when posting transactions to subledgers and inventory accounts. If they're set up incorrectly, your cost and balances will never align. You also need to know your subledgers by name so you can go to the right place to find and fix issues. The detailed data shows every transaction: inventory movements, purchase receipts, work order issues, shipments, and adjustments. This is where you can spot discrepancies before they snowball. Some issues are simply about timing. Cost posted in one period showing up in another because costing utilities will run late. Others are about mismatches. What you see in your inventory transactions report doesn't match your balances report. That is a red flag. Negative inventory is another common culprit. If a part goes negative and isn't corrected, your valuation is simply wrong. Late transactions are also a problem, like issuing material or labor to a work order after it's been closed. And if your system auto-issues material without the correct requirement, it can easily over-issue. The bottom line: accurate data equals accurate costs. By spotting problems early and knowing where to look, you can save time, reduce errors, and keep your financials reliable. If you found this helpful, subscribe to my channel, BMS365 ELearning Tips, to learn more about improving your usage of Visual ERP, discover tools that save you time and money, and be part of a friendly community of visual users just like you. Thank you for watching. See you at the next episode.